Ahmad from Pakistan. I'm a plastic and hair restoration surgeon. Luckily, I'm a few of those surgeons who got more than 150 scientific publications. I'm also the chief editor of Asian Hair Forum. I have been honored to be a part of Basic Course 2020, and I am a part of faculty and will be presenting the effects of hair transplant surgery on scalp sensitivity in the 28th annual ISHRS meeting in the general session, and will be highlighting various aspects. I request you all to join in for the 28th annual meeting of ISHRS. So stay at home and participate in the conference. Thank you.